So let us try to solve this problem. June deposited 10,500 pesos in a simple interest account that pays 2.5% per annum. How much interest will he earn if the money is deposited for 9 years? So letter A, 2,378.5 pesos. Letter B, 2,265.78 pesos. Letter 2,362.5 pesos. And letter D, 2,198.78 pesos. The problem talks of the simple interest. So to find the simple interest, we just simply use this formula, I equals PRT. I is for the simple interest, P is for the principal, R is for the rate, and T for the time. In the problem, we are given the principal, which is 10,500 pesos, the amount deposited for 9 years, which is the time. And of course, our rate is 2.5% per annum. So, to identify the given, our principal of course is 10,500. The rate is 2.5%, or we need to change this percentage to decimal. We have 0.025. We will be substituting using this decimal to our formula. And of course, since the money is deposited or invested in 9 years, so our time is 9 years. So to solve now for the simple interest, of course, we use the formula I equals PRT. This means we just simply multiply the principal times the rate times the time. We substitute the value to the formula, so our principal is 10,500 pesos times the rate, which is 0.025, and our time is 9 years. We just multiply everything. This will give us 2,362.5 pesos. So this is now the interest earned of the money deposited, 10,500 pesos, with a rate of 2.5% in a span of 9 years. So the correct answer is letter C, 2,362.5 pesos. Now another example which is related to the first example. Laliane deposited 5,000 pesos in a simple interest account that pays 3.2% interest annually. After 10 years, how much total money would be in the account? Now, as you have observed, the problem is still on the simple interest. Of course, we have the money deposited, which is 5,000, and the interest rate is 3.2%. And of course, the time is 10 years. But this is not just a simple interest, because we are told to find the total money in the account after 10 years. So, the same, since we are talking of simple interest, so we will be using I equals PRT. So we need to solve first for the interest or the simple interest before we can solve for the total money in the account after 10 years. So we identify the given. Our principal is 5,000. Of course, our rate is 3.2%, or in decimal that is 0.032. Then our time is 10 years. So for the solution, still we will be using the formula I equals PRT. Again, we substitute these values to the formula, principal times rate times the time. So 5,000 times 0.032 times 10. So we multiply everything. This will be equal to 1,600 pesos. But this is only the interest, 1,600 pesos. But since we are told to find the total money in the account after 10 years, so to find the total money in the account after 10 years, we just simply add the principal plus the interest. So therefore, that is 5,000 plus 1,600, that would be equal to 6,600 pesos. So the total money in the account after 10 years would be 6,600 pesos. So the correct answer is letter B. Now we will try a different example. This is now about fractions. Change this mixed number 8 and 4 over 7 to improper fraction. So we are given this mixed number 8 and 4 over 7. So we have letter A, 56 over 7, letter B, 50 over 7, letter C, 64 over 7, and letter D, 60 over 7. So we have the improper fraction 8 and 4 over 7. We change this one to improper fraction. So how to change this one to improper fraction? we just simply multiply the whole number here, which is 8, to the denominator. So 8 times 7 is 56, then add the numerator. So 8 times 7 is 56, plus the numerator, which is 4, so that is equal to 60 over 7. So again, 8 times 7, 56, plus 4 is 60, so that is 60 over 7. 8 and 4 over 7 is just equal to 60 over 7. So the correct answer is letter D. So that's it. I hope you have learned something from this video. Watch out for the next basic math review. So thank you and God bless.